Sip Truth Literacy Lounge.
Hello, word detectives! Are you ready for today's mystery word? Look closely at these clues. Clue number 1. You might feel this way when you have not eaten for a long time. Clue number 2. Your tummy might make a funny growling sound. Clue number 3. When you feel this way, you probably want a big, tasty meal. Can you guess the word? That's right, famished. Famished means very, very hungry. Listen to this sentence. After playing outside all afternoon, Maya was famished. Maya played for a long time and now she wants food. That tells us she must be really hungry. Here's a fun challenge. Which sentence uses famished correctly? A. The puppy was famished after eating 3 bowls of food. Or B. The sun was famished because it was shining. The answer is A. A puppy can feel famished when it is very hungry. Now, let's make our mystery word even stronger. Hungry means you want food, but famished means you are extremely hungry. So, the next time your tummy is growling after a busy day, you might say, "I'm famished." Great detective work. Remember, when you meet a new word, look for clues.
Sip Truth Literacy Lounge.